All new design, less in your hands, more at your fingertips. The iPad 2 is awesome. Hey everybody, it's Mactutor30. Today I have a video for you guys on the iPad 2. So first we'll go to the first picture. The iPad 2. Next picture. All new design. Dual core A5 chip, white border. 2 cameras, one in the front, one in the back. And iPad smart cover. This cover it doesn't look awesome to me, but basically it's a magnetic cover that's magnetizes to the left side of your case and then folds over, and whenever you lift up one side of the case, the iPad recognizes and like sleeps automatically when you open it. So like if you open it, it wakes up, and if you close it, it goes back to sleep. And so you have two options, the white one and the black one. Down here it says all new design, less in your hands, more in your fingertips. iPad is now 33% thinner and up to 15% lighter. You'll feel the difference when you pick it up and when you just can't put it down. The new iPad's going to have a dual core A5 chip. It's faster. It's 2 times faster, 2 times more powerful, and gives you up to 9 times more crisp and clear graphics. 2 cameras. The front camera, I think it's 2 megapixel. Share big lot. The front facing camera is like the one on the iPhone, and the back facing camera records HD. iPad smart cover, and then the iPad software update. Get new features with iOS 4 coming soon. And then over here we have the iPad in education. They added a feature that allows you to hook the iPad up to an HD TV, and it mirrors what's on the display of the iPad. And they added right here. They added not right there. They added let's go check out tech specs. So here we have the type, it's 7.3 inches long and 9.5 inches tall, and front camera right there, and we have our home button still. I thought they were gonna get rid of it, but I guess not. On off button, sleep awake. Back camera is also right here, and we have our silent, or in the new update it's gonna be lock orientation. Volume up down, and it's going to there's a headphone jack as well. And then they have it's 3.34 inches thin. Is that not crazy or what? And then the models, there's going to be a Wi-Fi version that doesn't have the black bar, and the Wi-Fi plus 3G version, which has the black bar up top. The height and all that's right here. It weighs 1.33 pounds for the Wi-Fi only version, and the Verizon apparently weighs 0.01 pounds less than the AT&T one weighs 0.01 pounds more than the Verizon iPad. So that's kind of interesting. And of course, we want to see our storage amounts and stuff. So they have a 16 gigabyte model, a 32 gigabyte model, and a 64 gigabyte model. And if you buy the 3G, it's the same. Over here we have wireless and cellular, Wi-Fi 802.11a, and then BGN, Bluetooth 2.1, and EDR technology. For the Wi-Fi plus 3G model, uses UMTS, HSDPA, HSUPA, and 850, 900, and 1900 and 2100 millihertz, or megahertz, GSM, Edge, and and you have those options there. Kind of stinks that it's a GSM, iPad, and Edge. The Verizon model is a CDMA again, not LTE, EV Duo Rev A, and then it gives you the things for that. The AT&T looks a little better. Data only, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and so everything's the same. And does it say prices? AT&T or Verizon? No one. 8.7-inch digital LED backlit glossy widescreen multi-touch display with IPS technology, 1024 by 768 pixels, resolution at 132 pixels per inch, PPI. PPI. So it's sort of retina display, so it's lots more pixels. It's gonna be awesome. Fingerprint resistant, fingerprint resistant oleophobic coating. Support for display of multiple language and characters simultaneously. Cool. It's sportin' the 1 gigahertz dual core Apple A5 custom designed high performance low power system on a chip. Awesome. It's a dual core processor. Cameras. It has a back facing HD camera and a front facing HD. I mean, not HD. A back camera video recording HD 720p up to 30 frames per second with audio still camera, 5 times digital zoom, front camera video recording VGA up to 300 frames per 30 frames per second with audio VGA quality still camera, tap to control expose for video or still photo and video geotagging over Wi-Fi. Cool. Built-in and then we have our power and battery. A built-in 24 watt hour rechargeable lithium polymer battery, up to 10 hours of surfing the web on Wi-Fi, watching videos and listening to music, and charging via power adapter or USB to computer. And then over here we have same tech specs up here, up to 10 hours, and up to 9 hours of surfing the web using 3G data network, change via power adapter or USB to computer system. And then we have our input-output, 30-pin dock connector, 3.5mm stereo headphone mini jack, built-in speaker and microphone. On this one we have a 30-pin dock connector port, 3.5mm headphone jack, built-in speaker, micro SIM card slot for the 3G model, sensors. We have a 3-axis gyroscope, accelerometer, and ambient light sensor. Cool. Location, Wi-Fi digital compass. Cool. Wi-Fi digital compass assisted GPS cellular. audio playback, and then it's just talking about some stuff that doesn't really TV and video. It now allows you to mirror viewable document types: JPEG, TIFF, GIF, images, doc. Okay, it just added some supports for male languages. Accessibility, support for playback of closed captioned content, voiceover screen reader, full screen zoom magnification, white on black display, mono audio, environment requirements, Mac system requirements, Windows system requirements. In the box, that's what the box is gonna be look like. Oh my gosh, that looks awesome. iPad dock to USB 10-watt USB power adapter documentation. Environmental status report, and then we have the iPad smart cover, an iPad accessories like the wireless keyboard, an iPad with Wi-Fi 3G, iPad 2 arrives March 3rd, starting, buy online starting March and get free shipping. Buy in store starting at 5 p.m. on March 11th. Cool. Starting at 5 p.m. on March 11th. I kind of want to learn more about the price. I'll look at it in a minute. Tech specs, iOS 4. How to buy. Cool. iPad 2 arrives March 11th. Buy one for first. You can buy online starting March 11th, and we'll ship it free directly to your door. And you can pick it up, like go buy it at the store at 5:30 on March 11th. Is March, and we'll check the calendar. Oops. And we'll check the calendar. So March 2nd is today. So is that a week from today? No, it's not. It's because next Wednesday will be the 9th. And that Thursday will be the 10th. Friday will be the 11th. So that Friday is when the new iPad is coming out from the App Store. Built-in apps, features. I kind of want to know the price. It's getting kind of annoying. Did not know the price. Yeah, 2 cameras. Already talked about all this. Just the price. Not finding the price. Oh, it allows you to stream movies to the Apple TV. Air printing. And then it says that it starts at $4.99. Like that's how much it is. It's $4.99. And I think that's about it for you guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, one more thing. They added like all the GarageBand. They added GarageBand, and they added GarageBand. They added iMovie, and they added Photo Booth and FaceTime, and yeah, it's gonna be pretty freaking awesome. I'm so excited. So I can't wait for this to come out. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Rate, comment, subscribe, and peace.